Hey everyone, I'm just at the airport on my way to Worlds in Melbourne, where I'm about to do, as far as I know, the highest altitude cube review at 35,000 feet of the Valk 5M.
Flight time this morning will take approximately 2 hours and 7 minutes. Welcome again and enjoy the flight to Melbourne.
Alright, as you can see, we've reached cruising altitude and it's time to unbox this beautiful thing. Fun fact, the very first cube that I used in a competition was the Valk 3M. Quick look at the packaging. They've included a cleaning cloth as well as a lot of cards. Here she is, the Valk 5M. People who have used this cube so far have only had really great things to say about it. Look at this, 35,000 feet. This has got to be the world's highest unboxing. And there it is. First impressions, this cube is light, really light. The cube's a little bit oily, as usual when it first comes out of the packaging. Alright, let's do some first turns with it. Oh my goodness. You see what I'm seeing? This cube is so fast. That's insane. Good old T-Pam. That is insane. This cube, what did I just do? This cube is so fast. Oh wow. I normally use R and U moves to do the U-Pam, but M slices are so nice on this cube. The rumors were true. This cube really is as nice as they say. It is so beautiful. Have you seen a 5x5 before?
No, man.
Have a go. What do you reckon?
No idea.
So for the purpose of comparison, I've also brought my Moyu GTS 5x5 Aochuang magnetic. This has been my main for a while. I really like this cube. It doesn't have as many cards. Maybe the more cards, the better. I don't know. Size-wise, these cubes are very similar. I think that the Aochuang might be a tiny bit bigger, but otherwise, you can feel a bit of a difference in weight. The Aochuang is 153 grams, and the Valk 5M is 136 grams, so about like a 10% difference in weight. Not a massive difference that I can feel. You can see that the Valk 5 has sharper edges than the Aochuang, which, I mean, doesn't make too much of a difference to me. Maybe you might be able to turn them a little bit quicker. All right, it's time for a solve. All right, it's a pretty good solve. I'm gonna try another one to see if I can do it any better. Wow, this thing is so nice. I'm just gonna start with the negatives because I mostly only have positive things to say, and it's that it turns so fast out of the box. It almost feels like I need to put something in there to slow it down. And because I'm not used to being able to turn big cubes with such little effort, there were a few times that I sort of had like lockups and it was catching. Normally because big cubes are hard to turn, not because they're too easy to turn. It almost feels like I've been given the keys to like a sports car and I just haven't figured out how to drive that thing yet, and how to safely operate that thing. This thing feels so powerful. A lot of people who've used this so far have made it their main like instantly. Max Park just recently got a world record with this thing. Is it going to become my main? Am I going to say goodbye to the poor little Aochuang over there? Well, yes, 100%. This thing is amazing. I'm definitely going to use this in comp the next time that I do a 5x5. So nice, and I'm not just saying that. If you're into 5x5, I strongly recommend at least trying it out, if not getting it, because this thing is amazing. It's so nice. I mean, look how quickly it turns. I really love this cube. Strongly recommend it. If not, even for this amazing case and for the amazing pictures of Matt's Valk. Look at that guy. Thank you, T, for making such a great cube. Ah, so good. All these poor passengers around me having to put up with my cube talk. Thank you for watching what I believe is the current world's highest altitude cube review. If you liked the Valk 5M, as always, dailypuzzles.com.au is where you need to go. This cube is currently on sale, and if you use the code TINGMAN, you get 10% off your entire order, which is a great value. I'm not just saying this, I highly recommend it. It's incredible. Thanks again for watching. See ya.